Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, January 23rd. There's a storm brewing. We're gonna have to put a little extra insulation on the coal frames. They said it was gonna rain tomorrow night and then turn to a little bit of snow and not get below freezing. Now we got snow coming in by noon tomorrow and we're gonna get walloped. We're gonna go ahead and pile up around these mini greenhouses and make sure we got every flap around the cold frame sealed up so we don't get any cold air in there. We ought to be okay. Riley thought he ought to come out here and help me. Now it's been getting kind of chilly at night and these mini greenhouses have been just fine sitting on the ground with just a little bit of insulation around them. But I think it's gonna get cold enough for the next couple days. We wanna make sure we got a decent little blanket on them. Hate to lose some of that. The one thing I want to mention about doing it like this is every time we turn this, we turn it. And that helps get air in there and it helps this break down faster. So use what you got. If you don't have quite enough, you can just add just a little bit more. And I'm going to kind of bank it up. I'm not going out too far. Got plenty of mulch down. I just want these sides protected. We just don't want it to bleed out all that heat. And of course, these ones that are close together, we want to make sure we got some down in between there. Just a little extra insulation, just to make sure. We bank that up. This is nice and loose. A little air barrier. Now, if the wind comes a howling, some of this might blow away, but doing our best. I think we'll be all right. Now, I don't know if you remember, we brought out a wheelbarrow and just piled it up here the other day, strictly because of this. Just in case. It is still early enough in the winter. This may not be our only storm. That ought to be good enough for that. Good boy. Let's get this mulched up. You gonna help mulch this up? Good boy. Let's get some mulch on it. We definitely want to save our lettuce. The thing about mulch, there's no recipe. You can't really put down too much. You can put down too little. I think our radishes and our lettuce ought to be in pretty good shape. Let's go take one more quick trip around the coal frames, make sure we have everything buttoned up. Yeah, we got a little bit on this side, needs a little bit of tension. All we're doing is just kind of getting these, we're just making it so the wind can't get up underneath the edges of this and blow it free. I think we're in good shape now. Are we ready for the winter? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready for the snow? Yes. Are we ready for the snow? What are you doing? You watering? Poking holes in Mama's hose. Good boy. Riley and I want to thank you for stopping by the garden and helping us get some mulch down, helping us button these mini greenhouses and the coal frames up. Oh yes. Oh yes. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Stay warm out there. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.